The digital landscape for musicians has transformed dramatically, offering artists unprecedented opportunities to monetize their craft. The advent of streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music has revolutionized how music is consumed, allowing artists to earn revenue every time their song is played. Meanwhile, social media platforms have turned into vital tools for promotion and fan engagement, enabling musicians to reach global audiences with a click. Moreover, digital marketplaces have become essential, providing a venue for artists to sell their music directly to fans. This digital evolution has opened new pathways for musicians to make money online, democratizing the music industry and offering opportunities for artists at all levels to succeed. The key to monetizing music on streaming platforms lies not just in making your tracks available, but in strategically enhancing your presence. Optimizing your artist profile on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and SoundCloud involves curating appealing bio information, high-quality images, and ensuring your music is correctly categorized to reach the right audience. Furthermore, getting your tracks featured on popular playlists can significantly increase your stream counts and, by extension, your revenue. This requires networking with playlist curators, leveraging data analytics to understand listener preferences, and engaging in promotional strategies that encourage playlist inclusion, thus maximizing your visibility and financial success. Social media platforms and YouTube provide powerful avenues for musicians to catapult their careers forward. By leveraging Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, artists can gain significant followings, create engaging content that resonates with their audience, and foster a strong community around their music. Engaging with fans through regular updates, behind-the-scenes looks, and interactive content can strengthen fan loyalty and enhance visibility. Moreover, these platforms offer monetization opportunities through ads and sponsorships, allowing artists to earn revenue directly from their content. Effective use of these tools requires a strategic approach, focusing on content quality, consistency, and authentic interaction with the audience. Direct sales to fans are a cornerstone of a musician's revenue, blending the art of music with the science of marketing. Setting up an online store on platforms like Bandcamp and Shopify empowers artists to sell a variety of products, from digital downloads to physical merchandise such as vinyl, CDs, and uniquely branded items. This approach not only diversifies income streams, but also strengthens the artist's brand, creating a deeper connection with the audience. Effective branding and a well-curated selection of merchandise can turn casual listeners into dedicated fans, making every release and product drop an anticipated event. Emphasizing the personal touch in merchandise can elevate an artist's profile and financial success. In today's digital music industry, crowdfunding and patronage platforms have emerged as essential tools for artists seeking financial backing and a sustainable income. Platforms like Kickstarter, Patreon, and Bandcamp subscriptions enable musicians to fund their projects through direct support from fans. These platforms not only facilitate the raising of capital for recording, production, and touring costs, but also allow artists to offer exclusive content and experiences to their supporters. This model fosters a stronger connection between artists and fans, turning the traditional funding model on its head by ensuring artists receive the financial support they need to create, while fans gain closer access to the creative process and exclusive rewards.